Arefo mo hwe me live Facebook and I'm sharing Facebook video yi which ya obia na omo na omo follow Organic Foods Ghana yin page Facebook Organic Foods Ghana no which ya obia so na omo hwe na omo to ye na duro no so me chia obia ene ye be kasa fa nipa apomde na sisi nipa bibire ni age natural remedies na habama na natural means of healing nipa bibire ni age ho nti bibire num shifted from orthodox treatment to natural treatment gani enfi hu ni say nyema atwe ho ahia no natural emfaso a ewu na yare a chemical drugs means solve said natural remedies ebema solve no totally without any side effects. Yare a chemical drugs mean treating so what the natural supplement ebema it too ase without any side effects. And then person you bibi fa plants beer so powerful for men and women, but especially for men. Habaya djuma wanwaso wo ni paduam boy memma pa and boy man so na sa haban we ebia no watindin da ebi nso ana wonte ye ene ye besunya bibi afasa ahaban ho enyoma ahaban litimi ye nyarwa ahaban no etimisa di enti na wo se obi biara wanya 18 years and above na so ma won saka sa planti di enti a wo se wunya sa planti in terms of natural remedies a lot of them unu kwasa wo yare kwa ansa na wafa nti habane habana o yare o onyare o obetimi afa o yare I say enti say diabetes say orthodox one na say oye uni bi na kofa na e ba beku we plants some say food supplements aduane a e be boa o wanya hoden wanya pomden na wanya arasa na before na me koso no e be say share apomden hu afutuo yi kakra a friend is saying India omo theory of existence say niema omo kire be fa nipa say yasitena mu no India theory of existence omo say everything on earth has a purpose ade biara ewo asase we su no ewo botaye ade biara ewo asase we se so no saa ade no ewo botaye nti enima bia wasase we se so ni hokwa ebia wo ni dwumadi a edi I say everything on earth has a purpose every disease and help to cure it yare bia so ye wo ho habama etimi de cure ade bia wo ne botaye yare bia so wona kade a ye betimi de cure ndoko India they don't joke with natural remedies uko India won fa natural remedies India go I say and every person has a mission. Every person has a mission. Oni pe biara nso ewo asade anabotaye enti o wasase we so. Oni pe biara o wasase so. O purpose. Ahaban biara nso wo de ye. Yare biara nso wo eniema etimi edesa. Eti ene planta ye besua ho asem no. Your friend on honey goat weed. Now people say then I say unima what do you say a punch ho asem na yeka ana efa a punch ho honey goat weed we be call the honey goat weed na honey goat weed we no one of the best medicinal planter may advise say before man memma 90 and kokra obi ensanka plant we and sana meko plant ne so no me di ka kire say wa wo hwe en live na na hwe video no but more than say overshare. Organic Foods Ghana, what time say we are into natural remedies, natural supplements, essential oils, carrier oils. Organic supplement bia na what ni dey no. A won dey wonya baby, wonya binto busaye. Ye over 200 natural remedies. Na share. Na honey goat weed no. Even for no epimedium powder. Epimedium powder. Na obi a na odi emponchi kwadidie. Obi a won ponchi bebre a odi emponchi kwadidie. Ewo China. Ena was steady here who say plant bi wo hono ma ne mponchi no omudia sexually no omu ye active eti ono so ehun sa plant no ena o try no hu say yes ono as a man no so ye nipa no plant no eboa no sexually enu ntina omode edin honey goat weed eto sa plant no honey goat weed na ye kase bibi ye natural aphrodisiac. There were a lot of aphrodisiac, Viagra, any other drugs are ye treat sexual disorders. Researchers actually say so what's nase who use a chemical aphrodisiac eventually utiminya erectile dysfunction, kidney disease, liver disease and others. But say cassava natural aphrodisiac any sa implications no. Eti honey goat weed no natural aphrodisiac a boa memma sexually and a boa a man sexually. Now based on research and now researchers are almost niema fa sa planting ho. Se me summarizing wo niema o makeka dia fa honey goat weed no ho a ene de atadwen atedene do me ton honey goat weed nenso no se wo hia bi o baabi na wo gidi o mu na hu se ebeboa bo mo de anso betobi se wo anya bi nso anto o baabi anso a na ba na egu ase no bo mo de an se obe contact ye ana WhatsApp yen yare bi anso e hawo no bo mo de an se obe WhatsApp yen na oni ye din komo ana se eduro bi ye natural supplement a wati din na wo pe no bo mo de an se won sa beka ye ibenya bi dia ma ba bi a obi a no sa beka Ghana we agent of most of the regions. At the same time, baby agent news ye deliver ho. You buy in Facebook page ma you over 172,000 or 74,000 followers. Na say ye djuma pa ye Organic Foods Ghana. The Organic Foods Ghana e wo Facebook. Na follow ye na anytime bia na ye dey supplement be ba no. Also on Sakabi. And na say ye YouTube channel na ye Organic Foods Ghana no so. And what they say obe subscribe to the channel. Anytime bia na be update on health. Also sa etinyaka na yentie ensema nkofo ikai benefits edikai honey goat weed yenya efimu wasi erectile dysfunction emema nya do wa miensa anani akiri or more than that premature ejaculation say bia oni oba be hia na ho asa na ontem no ho ani all sexual weakness say bia obema be gyina so na enya dwuma emun shada strong and ye wo erectile dysfunction say obi o ma be ma no ankasa no ensore kra. So this plant is even talking about erectile dysfunction mfaso a plant edema and libido ti say oba oni atenka e wo mpam libido say obi o ma ne libido form oni be ma be hia. So no sanin da nti ade ba akui no eboa mema na eboa ma so na yehwe ade a omokan omo say erectile dysfunction and ED is the inability to get and maintain an erection sufficient to achieve satisfactory sexual performance. se bia obema no ntimi nyina so ye na wontimi na wontimi nyina so ma woni oba den enhia ye frɛ no ED an erectile dysfunction and as impotence natie do kan or the ED can be occasional or frequent and has various causes ebetfi aba se taisisi and e ma na ba nipa ukọ how bi ni amane mu kwa ye bema na uru a lot of stress man sexually no timi say obi o man obema no create me sorry bi ti memo mu dream bebre no o mu ti bi sexual problem I lead to even erectile dysfunction o say wo niema bebre ti mi cause sa both psychological and physical adwendwum niema ne honama ne de na since erections depend on healthy blood flow to the penis o say onipa obema betimi agina so yi o say emoja no timi die fusane ko obema ni so what they are say na emom no say uyusu eye honey goat weed na eboama emoja timi die fusane ye e ko obema na even though say stress issue and na psychological problem bi a cause sa condition ya honey goat weed no ebe correct no say psychological issue bi and na say other health issue bi and na ultimate perform sexually honey goat weed ebe solve the amount ana ebiem bone health you can say bone health enye obanko nemum no ba ne be manyina na me go back to sexual weakness no so a say sexual weakness premature ejaculation erectile dysfunction na all the obema no o si awukura si mold ade a because enye ade a treat spiritual disease so what the no obi mold ade a ene bomode asob ma won saka honey goat weed e don't say one thing about the product and say a lot of them no why body you know okra betimi akọ no kwa more research about what I'm talking about ye body betimi asua ne ma bibu afa de make am and was it bone health idea eboa dompe ama ahode ba onipa odompe mu honey goat weed now according to Ngofam say eye carrying may have healthy bones adie bi a ewo honey goat weed no ye fe no eye carrying eboa ama udompe enya hoden or the eye carrying may help healthy bones by enhancing bone building and growth and preventing bone breakdown and loss ti eboa ma udompe no so strong ema udompe no timi nyi ahoden mu ti ade a obenya bone disease no se ofa a friend is saying honey goat with a containing sa active ingredient even eye carry na ebe boa ma wonya ahoden ti obi a wo bone issue e fa no say arthritis rheumatism lumbago gout ni ade mo dey say won sabeka honey goat with na ti asem mo kan a many G when say was it in one clinical trial say obi on say omo ye nhwemu bi ana omo de nkofo bi ato eduro ni so was it an herbal regimen containing epimedium on say adia omo ye no omo yusu bibi a ewo epimedium nim honey go to say the mechanic vitiase no anom de yes our research or say in one clinical trial, an herbal regimen containing epimedium-derived flavonoids prevented bone loss in 74 postmenopausal women. The man omo menopause mu on say uyo ba na ura ana ura menopause man. Unya a lot of implications, hot flashes near the bone issues. But omo here research no omo de a May 74 at all. A year a drew you soon. Omu says, May no, our woman who was almost fast, I did. Omunya a very strong bones. Therefore, Sa a dray honey goat with no, a prevented osteoporosis at the same time no esan so build it your bones now bones so strong. It is the bone disease arthritis, rheumatism, osteoporosis but more than so be man saka honey go through na e be do asem amount ebiem menopause aside say eboa emma ene memma dompiri nya hoden no emma omo menopause mu nso emfa so esanso ye mo ni o say flavonoids like icarin in honey goatweed can act as phytoestrogen plants compound that may make the effect of female sex hormones. On say most at times so all your bar na say who do menopause ma ubon say e ma hormones e boa ma e ma ye ma build the curves ni ade nufo ni skin ye nice ubon say ura menopause mu no ana ura ma bon say sa hormones no e so start say e de ete abafo hormones no drop it back down say hormones no back down na fe ogunsanso e ba woni padua no bi ma boza na do be sweat saa no hihye no no mete no ni nyina e menopausal symptoms but researchers in the betu dwa say wo fa eye honey goatweed na e be bua ma say nsunsanso we say nyina no eyi afi ho no you say menopause flavonoids like icarin in honey goatweed can act as phytoestrogens, plant compound that may make the effect of female sex hormones. In one clinical trial of 90 postmenopausal women, an extract of honey goatweed increased estrogen levels and lowered blood cholesterol. The ma 90 and yes trials. Now toast no who say a honey goatweed nankasankasan increase estrogen hormone what a mem sa hormones are your menopause my so no we be increase no two bonds or baby or ma well red menopause who's a still no or strong symptoms are a was sad no on the end onyabi into say at the same time and also and sounds reduce blood cholesterol at the same time na eboa menopause na fe cholesterol ewo umoja mu no so na ete ndi wo ma bomodin ase wonsa beka saade we bi ebi oya branch na ohwe nso a pebi ma maame o tie fro e complain say wo menopause na ho yira no wo ye ni se tie ebi na bedi sem so bi o say aside from its beneficial effect on hormone levels, honey goatweed didn't cause any significant effects, side effects. Apart from say, man, and some friends who so be a mere any side effect be a or the more be a behano. Into no memma sexual weakness, erectile dysfunction, but more than so on Sabeka honey goatweed, and a man who menopause, more than so on Sabeka be. And at the same time, hormonal imbalance, hormones no imbalance ye oni pedua but what they are on sabeka bi. Or say heart disease. And I make sure say plants no. And yes say e ye dwuma ma e man ko a and e memman ko na bia eboa. Tina eboa bones e ye oba bema. Sexual weakness e ye obema. Low libido e ye oba. Menopause oba and general no cause heart disease akomayare heart disease I say because it may reduce blood cholesterol levels oxidative stress honey goatweed may also protect the heart say on yema unya stress we are so stressful honey goatweed brenas esan say esan so boa na etis cholesterol wo mogya mu nti eboa ma wakoma nso ye den enya hoden on say nyankopon bo nipa no se de bia mesma meka ne say wonum say onum de nipa baye obo adam to asase we say so no onum say ombefo I'm telling you wonum say den na they will be deceived because we omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent, unumune, unumwachana, unumadi a basic 25,000 years to come. Do unumpefe se enkofo ebe bone. Iti osambo niya. Ni niya nyankopon boye no. Wadi ahoden hihye bia mu. Ti yare bia anso no ehu aduro. Se obi ni oyare ehu aduro a eno nche se obi nso ni. Obi a wona doma chede. Ndo asitie. Honey goat may also put that in one study, honey goat weed granules given to 120 elderly people with heart disease and kidney problems relieved symptoms and improved heart health. Was one day a year honey goat weed be my memma and then penny 420. No more says same penny for you know. Omuye no, omakuma, and what day a day, a bemu. And at the same time, also a boy more kidney problems. According to these researchers, honey goat on the man penny 420. Woman who said kidneys and what near them, Anna Akumano sono, and what near a day abem. Intino Yarebu or Mawunya Yesika Biao, the Bia Miss Mamma say, Yarebiana, we are huge sum of money, say what they saw was Iarian. And no Cranayana Munyaresa. And near my child where she and Casano. We hear research that's who's near they are. In books you see the Katua. Ubenya solution to your problem. If you see one more work my area, the more there's on Sabeka honey goat with me. And a mood disorders. Say be on man onya depression. And I because the bipolar disorders. Onya stress, anxiety, we are more one and say if you ask a crowd, I don't depression. Obi oma no yira no I say onye okay ono afele se bibi koswa onye comfortable onyanko obe taking the life obe committing suicide obe shooting no ho obi oma depression or person or no nsa obi oma ni or depression ma o ye niam emfata na ngofo ire say ade a on say bibia e hormones na adwuma ni padua ade e koso sa kate so ne ade e koso sa ade no se ofa eye honey goat weeder ebeboa wo na wanya ayaresa. It was a mood disorders in a pilot study of 10 depressed people with bipolar disorders and alcohol addictions. On say omoye nhwemu no omo fe nipa ase nhwemu kakra bi omo yom fe nipa be se 10 omo mood disorders and I say depression ni ade and no more man no monsa and I say omo addicted to alcohol omo se nkofo omo ye se nhwemu no. Or the dose of icarin of up to 300 mg a day for 8 weeks reduce depression and depressive symptoms. Omo ma se nkofo 300 mg of icarin honey goat weed for 8 weeks every day be for 8 weeks. Omo hu say sa condition no eso ai dey at and at the same time one more no nsa no kra na eso so ai dey at now say it was tolerated where no side effects were reported. Sad way so and some first so via ai dey ama. The honey goat weed there remember there when it comes to sexual weakness and erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, hormonal imbalance, bone disease, depression and mood disorders and others. When I make a choice heart health, go with honey goat weed. So you be so far idea making, don't jump into hasty conclusion. The modern said obey you afa idea making. Now also what here see and sana what to anamo. Me am no kase medin the asonama osu aduomi. Me na meda organic foods Ghana ano. Na healthy so enterprise ano. Ye the an say ye dealing natural remedies. Kabamba, essential oils, frankincense oils, witch hazel oils, cinnamon oils, and a lot of natural remedies. There were green teas, stinging nettles, saw palmetto, cinnamon, turmeric, alfalfa, ginkgo biloba, St. John's Wort, Vitex, Wadiam, Donquai, a lot of natural remedies. I can't say good near Yankoy. Do better follow ewo Facebook Organic Fruits Ghana na subscribe to your YouTube channel no na anytime bia na ye di bi beba no we nye se ye be kasa pa plant nko ho ye be kasa fa nuane ho enyarewa ho ye wie asato atro kwan be fa so be san nyarewa natural e bi kura yare de bi o manu abro kura hye o dem na wanya ayaresa me am no kasa se de me kan de di asramba wo su edo masam ba kwa de bia me kan se suro aduane asene bayfo na so hwe de bi su ya obeni ache be san so hia bye bye